So Microsolve Assist is, I guess, the next stage in frontline support. It's the individualized IT agent that lives on your computer that you can interact with for any question, any time of the day, 24/7. It has the context of your computer, your organization, any processes that you run internally, and gives you individualized responses to help you fix your issues regardless of the time of day.
Mm-hmm. So if I'm like studying away doing an assignment and I've got 50 tabs open and my computer starts kind of having a glitch and I'm like, oh my gosh, what is going on?
Yep.
It can kind of look through and go, well, hey, maybe you should close some of these tabs.
That's exactly right. You could ask Microsoft Assist anything you need, as simple as my computer's running slow. It will then do a detailed analysis on your computer, identify what's going on, if there's any issues, and give you a recommendation of how to fix it or even fix it itself if you allow it to.
So for our clients, why, what sort of benefits does it give them? Why did we go, hey, maybe we should look into this?
Yeah, sure. So a big part of this is the ability to use it any time of the day. We have night staff who experience an issue at 3 a.m. in the morning. And then it's the back and forth between themselves trying to find enough information to pass on to support, and support coming back to them during the midnight hours, where that issue that could have been resolved in 5 seconds becomes 4 or 5 days of impacted downtime for this staff member. When an issue is reported to an IT help desk or a service desk, majority of the time is fact-finding, trying to identify what the issue is, when it happened, what's causing it. This essentially eliminates that as much as possible, and it allows our engineers to work on and resolve the issue almost immediately once they have that information collected. So it reduces the amount of time for us to resolve the issues for the end user as well.
Or for those who kind of are still looking at AI going, oh, like I'm not really sure how this works, or if I want it to like have my information, how do we sort of calm those fears? Is there any sort of privacy specific things we can look at?
Yeah, of course. So the tool is designed to essentially self-contain all information that it collects within your organization. So it's very different to going out to, say, ChatGPT or Perplexity or any other AI tool and just inputting your own information, which again doesn't have the context it needs to resolve the issue. It just gives generic responses. The beauty of Microsoft Assist is it has all the information detailed, documented, and self-contained. Any information collected on either device or the user session helps immensely for this kind of troubleshooting. And again, it doesn't matter what device you're on. If you've logged in with your user account, it can understand and it can map out which devices you connect to. And if those devices are online, run diagnostics on those devices. So it doesn't matter what time of the day it is, what device you're on. It can also pick up trends on these devices as well. For example, we've got a device may have high CPU, or it may run out of space, and it may pop up day after day after day. This tool can identify that and even in some cases resolve that independently without the end user needing to contact support. So almost that self-healing support.